off this shirt. You can't ever do anything here without knocking something down. Okay, hold on a minute. I'll get you your water if you like. He always has to have a drink of water now. It's getting to be a tradition. He's waiting for his water. And we'll just wait here. I don't have any water to drink yet. Oh, there you go. Hey, there's some water for you. Pardon that. Pardon my... Quite a cat. You're quite a cat, Rocky. Huh? Beautiful day. I forgot to eat out here last night. Yeah. I like to come out here, wreak havoc. You do. It's their thing. They do. They don't interfere with this garbage because there's no food in it. They seem to know when there's no food. They do. Oh, yeah. Anyway, we go back over this way. There's my good boy. Hi, Rocky. Him's a good boy. Him's name is Rocky. Rocktoberfest. Hey. Anyway, that's what's happening here today at Camp Crazy. I hope you're all doing well. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do for breakfast. Yeah. We talk to y'all later.